Okay, my dear students, how can you solve this problem? This problem is related to integration and differentiation, where medical students are facing a lot of problems. But I want to prove that this integration differentiation is easier than botany and zoology and chemistry. Let us go ahead in a strategic way. So super simple method I will tell you. How can you solve this problem here? Now, you can just see what is given. It is given here that time is equal to root x plus 3. So I'm just going to write time t is equal to root x plus 3. If you see the problem, he is asking us to find out the displacement of a particle when velocity is going to be 0. So first of all, you have to find out the velocity by differentiating this equation. But this equation is not in a proper order. You have to just place it first in a proper order. Then after that you can find out the displacement. Velocity also you can find out. So for that you do one thing. Take root x to one side and the remaining terms to the other side. Then after that you can square on both sides. You'll be getting x is equal to t minus 3 whole square. Therefore x is equal to a minus b whole square can be taken as a square plus b square minus 2ab. Okay, minus 2ab, that is minus 60. So you got the displacement now. Now you can find out the velocity by differentiating this displacement. Okay, so let us go ahead now. Step by step process we'll do it. V is equal to dx by dt. If you do, you will be getting 2t minus 6 because here 9 differentiation is going to be 0 as it is going to be constant. So, and he said that velocity is going to be 0. Velocity is going to be 0. At that time you have to find out the displacement. For that, what you need to do? You have to consider this term as 0. Velocity is going to be 0. Therefore 2t is equal to 6 here. So t is equal to 6 by 2, which is going to be 3 seconds. So when velocity is going to be 0, it takes a time of 3 seconds. Then let us imagine the diagram for this problem. So you can just take here, a body has certain initial velocity. It travels this much distance before coming to rest, because a body, let us take in a car is there. You apply the brakes on the car, its velocity is going to be 0. After time t is going to be 3 seconds. It is the problem actually. Okay, this is the imaginary diagram, and he's asking us to find out how much displacement it is going to travel before coming to rest. Okay, so let us go ahead with this problem now. If you want to find out the displacement, you have to consider the equation of the displacement, that is x is equal to t square plus 9 minus 60, and you have to place here t is equal to 0 in this equation. Then you will get displacement here. So therefore x is equal to 3 square plus 9 minus 60. Okay, so 3 square. Therefore x is equal to 3 3s are 9 plus 9 minus 6 3s are 18 here. Okay, so this is 18 minus 18 is going to be 0. Therefore your answer is going to be 0. Okay, so displacement is 0. That means body is at rest. Body is not at all moving. That is the meaning of this problem actually. Okay, so finally we got a conclusion that displacement is going to be 0. Thank you. Have a